Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Projects. We are in the regular expression playlist. We have already seen part 1, part 2 and part 3. Presently we are in the part 4, session 4. And in this video we try to slash a versus slash z and cap with a dollar symbol, word boundary and capital W slash capital D and capital S, and we also see one of the tip how you can incorporate our string into the pattern. So without further delay, now let us jump into the session 1. In the part 1, we have already seen the match, search, find iterator, find all and full match, and some of the search pattern, that is a square bracket, curly braces, parenthesis, bar, cap, dollar symbol, slash small d, slash w, small w, and small s, and dot. In the part 2, we have seen dot mean any ASCII character, and we are also seeing the quantifiers, question mark, star and plus. Star represent more, plus will represent the more. These two comes under the greedy, question mark comes under the 0 or 1. And in order to end the greedy one, we have to use the question mark. On top of that one, we already see email validation, PAN card ID validation, mobile number and Visa card number validation. And in the part 3, we have seen look ahead and look behind. So xy and yx combination, x is nothing but the unknown we need to find, and y is known to us, mean that is a text pattern. And the combination xy and yx, so that's where we derive look ahead and look behind with respect to the x where you are looking. And we combined both of them, and we have seen the examples look ahead and look behind, and how to write the pattern. So if you see look behind, question mark less than or equal to, look ahead is nothing but a question mark is equal to, and the combination you can see xy and yx. In this way we have to write. Now we are there in the part 4, and now we are in this video we are seeing capital A, that is slash capital A slash capital Z versus cap symbol, that is start with, and dollar symbol, that is end with. And that we try to see with a single line and multi-line. And slash B is a word boundary, and slash W, that is capital, slash D capital D, and slash S capital S. What these are doing we are seeing in the part 4. Now let us see one by one. Now if we see the capital A, start of the beginning of any string, and cap symbol, if you see start of the line. If the text or a string it is having a multi-line, then the cap symbol try to identify at an each line, but capital A will try to see at only the beginning. And similarly dollar symbol try to see the end of an each line, capital Z see the entire string. If you are having only one line, then there is no difference. If it is having a multi-line, then only we try to see the difference. If and only if you have enabled re dot multi-line. If you didn't enable the re dot multi-line, the both output will be the same. Now let us see one of the example. You can see import re, text is equal to welcome to Alex Tech Projects. You can see it on the screen. Slash n I have given, and welcome to regular expressions. So pattern is equal to re dot compile. This is a raw string. Slash a, and welcome I have given in this both the line. There is a welcome is there. Then I have enabled re dot multi line, and find all. Similarly I have written caps welcome re dot multi-line. Now let us see, because this multi-line it has been there, and slash a it has been there, and both the lines are there, it will try to look at the beginning of the entire paragraph. Okay, you will try to get this one. But in the second one, it will try to see each line, because we have enabled the multi-line and there is a slash and it is over there. So we try to see both the outcomes. Now let us see the other example. So text is equal to like, share and comment, and second line subscribe and comment. Now we are writing with a comment slash z and dollar symbol. We are enable re dot multi-line and re dot multi-line in both. Now let us see. Dollar symbol try to identify in each line slash z will try to see the entire text and at the end once only. What is the most important takeaway? You have to enable the re dot multi-line. If you didn't enable this one, both will behave similar or a same output we try to get. So that is the takeaway. And if it is having a single line, we try to get the same output. And if you didn't enable the re dot multi-line, we try to get the same output. So there is no difference. When you enable the re dot multi-line, then only we try to see the difference. And if it is having more than one line of a text, that is the most important takeaway from this. Now let us move to the word boundary. Word boundary says that before the slash b is the one word main. So left side it is a non-word character or start of a string. So nothing should be there. It should be space or it has to start. And if we end with, nothing should be there or it has to be end, or it has to be end with a space or ending of a string. So this, and if you put beginning and end, so this is the particular word. There is no any word is attached at the beginning, any word should be attached at the end. So exact word match. Now let us see in this one example. Text we are selecting as a word play, word, keyword, one word, word one. Find all slash b. Overall starting with this is starting with, this is starting with, and this is starting with. Okay. Overall ending with slash b. You can see the word is ending properly. Keyword, this is also ending properly. One word is also ending properly. And now you can see at the beginning and ending, this single word is only word bounded. So it doesn't, before and end nothing is there. So it is having the spaces or starts with strings and end with strings. Start with strings and end with strings mean like this. Or it can be end with a dot also. So this is the example we try to see. You can see it over here. So three things we try to get in first: start boundary, end boundary, exact word boundary is this. Now let us take one example. What is in this example? I want to identify who are all the words ending with ing. So here w plus ing word boundary I have given. You can overall ending. This doing bath or bat, whatever the thing I have given, this one, this will not consider, but 1 2 3 will be there. 1 2 3 4 will be here. Now exact word is I want to identify slash b small and slash b. Now let us execute this one. It is. Now let us move to the capital W, capital D and capital S. Small and capital W, you can see it is an inverse. So you can see small w mean it indicate A to Z, and small a to Z and 0 to 9 and hyphen matches. Non-matches will be the spaces, punctuations and symbols. But if we see the capital W, we try to get the non-matches to the matches, and whatever it is matching in the small w will go. So it's a reverse. Similarly slash d and capital D, it's a reverse. Small s and capital S is also in a reverse. Now you can see the explanation slash w is non-word character, anything except letters digits, slash d mean non-digits, so anything except 0 to 9, slash s mean non-white space, anything except space tab new line. Now let us execute this one and see. You can get this outcome: non-word characters, non-digits, non-white spaces. Now we are entering into the tip or bonus. I have a variable having a string. How do I need to include in re.compile? So you can use with fstring format, and you can write the variable name and we can execute this one. But I want Alex Tech. So in this case, between Alex and tech there is a space is there, plus and w plus. You can see Alex Tech. And I want projects also. You can add s plus slash w plus. You can see Alex Tech projects. I need only the Alex is presented or not, then we can test like this. F-string format, you can give it over in the curly braces. The variable name is Alex will be replaced here. So hope this tip or bonus has given some value to it, or a slash w slash d and slash s has given some insights to you. And if word boundary has given some exposure to you, or slash a versus cap, dollar symbol versus slash w has given some more meaning to you in the regular expression, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Before that, please try to open the Jupyter Notebook, VS Code, PyCharm, any one of the IDE, and start doing with the part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section and I will review and get back to you. And we try to see in the next video. As for the promise, we have covered the part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. This much is enough to play with the regular expression. You can go and search more problems in the hacker rank and do the exercises. Not only knowing the theory, but efficient practice is required to make skillful and talented in this era. If you like this video, for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and follow our channel. We try to give definitely value to it. Thank you very much, and we try to meet in the next video.